Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, MOTOROLA Razr 40 Ultra device, and I can show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on this MOTOROLA device. Okay, firstly, we need to take a photo. Then open the gallery, so it's our photos application. Find the photo you want to remove, click remove, and as you can see, photo was moved to trash. It means that we can recover it from the trash bin. To recover this photo, we need to click on the three lines button, then click on the trash button, find the photos you want to recover, and then click restore. Restore. Great, photo was successfully restored. So let's check it now in the photos gallery, and great, as you can see, it's here. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.